Reality is... This is the beginning of meditation. Most of us would have rather money than tangible wealth, and a great occasion is somehow spoiled for us unless photographed. And to read about it the next day in the newspaper is oddly more fun for us than the original event. This is a disaster. For as a result of confusing the real world of nature with mere science, we are destroying nature. We are so tied up in our minds that we've lost our senses. Time to wake up. What is reality? Obviously, no one can say because it isn't words. It isn't material, that's just an idea. Reality is... The point cannot be explained in words.
Ja, schön, Lukas.
I'm not trying to put you down. It's an expression of you as you are. One must live. We need to survive, to go on. We must go on.
Oh, jetzt hast du voll, hab ich voll, quer oder links. Volle Kanone. Ah! Er ist selber schuld.